Thank you fans for tuning in to this unboxing video for Alien Invasion by the Spin Master Monster Jam series authentic trucks. On the back of the box we have it says includes poster. Alien Invasion is in Legacy trucks. There's one minifigure, one poster also that's included. We have the Overcast of Gravedigger, Soldier Fortune, Monster Mutt, Big Kahuna, which I just unboxed, Crustacean, Captain's Curse, Northern Nightmare, and the training truck of Megalodon. And also includes one poster and one figure. So, let's go ahead and unbox Alien Invasion. This truck debuted in Toronto, Canada in 2016. Alien Invasion, look at this. He gets these green. Look at this. Alien Invasion gets these green chrome wheels. Wow. They pop out. Incredible. It's nicely done that we get a green minifigure. Goes along with Alien Invasion. And then also right there it says poster included. So, look. Wow, I don't know where to start on this truck. Let's go ahead. I'm going to bring it up as close as possible. We have a lot of detail going on here with Alien Invasion, with all the lights that are supposed to be going on. You can see the lines where the green lights would be going up and down and around. Very cool. Look at this in the front. The green headlights. You can see the driver in there. Spin it to the opposite side. There we have it. A lot of detail going on with Alien Invasion, as I just said just a couple seconds ago. Just a lot of the green of where the lights would be going on for the truck, up and around, and wow. And then onto the back, and then there's some green going down the back of the truck right there. And this is a little bit different from the Hot Wheels version. Of course, if you can see inside, this is all plastic piece. You can see the motor inside. Then we have that little round circle with green around it. And then we'll just back to the same side. Now Alien Invasion looks very good. Now this is Alien Invasion from the Team Flag series. So this is kind of like the son of Alien Invasion, because I don't know, you would have to see it in person to just see the how big the Spin Masters version is compared to what on the Hot Wheels version. And there are some differences in how big now the lights are, just because of the body, the die-cast body. There are more detail of the truck, the green lights, and also the black. Some more detail going on. And then you can see on Hot Wheels version where it hardly has any green going anywhere on the truck for the lights, and also the black decoration on the truck. But we see the difference for sure in the Spin Masters version. So this is a little die-cast piece of strip going up to the round circle, where now they didn't do that with Spin Masters version, which is nice. And there you can see the difference also with the graphics. So that's gonna end the unboxing and review for Alien Invasion. Hopefully you enjoyed this review, and thank you for tuning in.